3 students, 3 corporate spaces, 40 minutes to capture the perfect shot.
Welcome to MLF 2024. My name is Rahil Bhatt and our photographers for today are
Kinza, a passionate filmmaker. Abrish, an animator with a spark. Ilia, a creative graphic designer. Their challenge is to capture the essence of space, its lighting, textures and compositions within these 3 buildings, dedicating just 40 minutes to each.
Are you guys ready?
Yes!
Good luck, shutter speed, and your time starts now.
Assalamualaikum, this is Abrish Fafla or I'm a Pixel student and I'm majoring in animation. So basically, हम लोग यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं for photography. Photography से ज़्यादा मेरा background नहीं है, but I'm interested in this field and I really like to explore new things. It's basically क्योंकि art है, it's related to art or anything that's related to art, it's extremely fascinating to me. So yeah, one of the ways is photography. So basically, that's what happened.
One thing that stood out to you in this place?
I think it's the shapes and the colors that's extremely eye-catching.
Alright, time's up. I hope you got all what you needed. Now we'll move on to the next building, and the challenge for the next building is capture the spirit of the industry. And your time starts now. Get going.
The first thing that comes to my mind that I think of industry is closed, cramped spaces, black and white. But it's really not that. It's the coming together of people and their ideas and forming new projects, new products. And you can sense that here with these spaces where people can come together and talk exactly this room. And there's so many other places like that too. And I sense that in my photography as well. I try to showcase that.
Academically, I am studying graphic designing. I also do videography and like filmmaking as a side hobby, as a blogger, as a YouTuber. I do social media and animation, and photography is something that I am starting to like because of how I get to capture things. And today my goal is to capture different artwork that Molecule did through the rules of photography, like using the rule of third and symmetry and leading lines, etc.
So overall experience, I feel like this office, it gives a very different vibe from what we're used to seeing in traditional Pakistani local offices, because this is minimalistic, but it's also industrial. It's different. The colors are different. It's not the same old blues and stuff. It's like red and orange, and the furniture is very different. It's not like those local sofas. They're different. There's leather being used. There's grays, even though like gray sometimes can be incorporated as boring. But an office with these colors is like, I think this is where people can actually come to get their stuff done and like work hard to make a change.
All right, time's up, ladies. Cameras down. I hope you got all what you needed from this second challenge. And now it's time to move on to our third challenge, which is capturing the essence of a communal space. And your time starts now. Move.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Elia Hussain. I am a graphic design student and my interests include claymaking and crochet. My interest in photography started as I'm a graphic design student and I tend to focus on details a lot. And with photography, I don't really have to just be a perfectionist. I can just capture whatever the moment is. I don't have to nitpick all the details. And that's why I like photography. With graphic design, I want to go towards advertising because I used to be a psychology student and I realized that I enjoyed creating more. And a really great mentor to me told me, why are you dividing your interests when you can just combine them together with, with the human aspect of psychology and the design aspect of creation, and just combine them and make advertisements that impact get a reaction out of the people and the consumers. So I'm a really closed up person, and this allowed me to come out of that bubble and interact with more people and be in spaces that are a lot more professional than I'm used to. And just being able to take pictures of such beautiful interiors, you don't really find them everywhere. So that's been a really great experience so far.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for this challenge, and now these guys will go get editing and we will see you at the portfolio presentation. Now it's time for the portfolio presentation. The students had 1 week to prepare their portfolios, and now it's time to pick a winner.
I am heading PF Keat College of Media and Arts over here. तो होता ये है कि हम अपने स्टूडेंट्स को एक चांस देते हैं कि इंडस्ट्री के अंदर they go and shoot different genres. Like in photography, they have option to shoot wildlife photography, product photography, fashion photography, interior and architecture photography. So we are very happy कि Molecule Pakistan ने हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को चांस दिया ये कि अपने आर्किटेक्चर को जाके शूट कर सकें. वो फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस उनके लिए था इंटीरियर आर्किटेक्चर का.
I'm so excited to see what the girls have put together. I know they've been working really hard and they put in a lot of effort, and we had a great time on shoot day. So let's see कि उन्होंने क्या किया है.
I am excited to show my work because this is the first time I get to showcase my work outside of my classroom, outside of my friends. But again, I have the nervousness in me because what if it's not good enough? What if it's not something, up to the standard?
Abrish's portfolio. Who will the judges pick? Kinza's portfolio. Who will the judges pick? Alia's is last to present. Who will the judges pick?
So I think all of you did a great job. Some captured detailed very nicely. किसी ने color को बहुत, movement को बहुत अच्छा capture किया. But all in all, I think eventually, like I said, the final presentation takes a little edge कि जो सबसे अच्छी presentation करता है eventually उसमें जाते हैं. सबने बहुत अच्छी मेहनत की, सबने अच्छा काम किया. But the winner that we chose is...
And the winner is Abrish.
Congratulations on winning being the first to get this, and thank you everybody. आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. There was just very slight difference सब में था, but we had to choose one, so we chose one. But thank you again.
Personally, I think Kinza's pictures were really nice. Indoor architecture wise, because they were like, she captured the whole space. But I do have to agree, Abrish presented really well. For me, I'm not really a person who likes to, go out of my bubble and just do things like these. So this was an experience, like a very good experience for me though. I was very scared, I thought it would go really bad. But I'm really glad I said yes, and it was really fun. And I'm really thankful for my mentors.
I would just like to say it was really an amazing experience to work with Sarahil Bhatt and the team, because they did teach us how the industry really works, what goes on behind the scenes. Because again, we're just students, we weren't used to really going there and doing the work. So this was a really great experience. I had so much fun working with my batchmates, because it was like if we were really anxious about doing something, we knew that we had each other, so we were helping each other out, and we did we were there for each other, and it was really great working with FPCL and Molecule. Thank you.
I mean, it was an experience for me because I personally love photography, and this was something जो मैंने first time किसी चीज़ में part लिया था photography related, and I had a lot of fun. It was a learning experience, and I just love our mentors, जिन्होंने हम लोग को accompany किया और सारा guidelines वगैरह दिया. I just really loved it. It was an experience. I kind of did because I have faith in myself. So yeah, dedication and hard work goes along. So yeah, that's it.
A huge congratulations to Abrish and all our contestants. This was the MyLens Fellowship 2024.